Sea pigs are members of sea cucumber whose scientific name is scotoplans. These cute animals live on the ocean floor at a depth of 1,200 to 5,000 meters. Consume both plankton and animal carcasses. They track the food using tentacles. Sea pigs do not have brains, like that of animals in general. Their brains are only a ring of nerve tissue that surrounds the oral cavity. Fun fact: they breathe through the anal canal called cloaca. It is very versatile for breathing, pooping, and even for reproducing. Although they seem weak and helpless, sea pigs have a very effective self-defense mechanism. When they feel threatened, sea pigs will tighten their muscles and eject their respiratory organs through the cloaca. This causes predators to become confused and run away. Do you think sea pigs are adorable? Do you dare to touch them?